Hey everybody, Jennifer Waters here. Welcome to SKC. I'm actually going to take you on a school tour video. So come on inside. We're going to head inside the new student center. All right, so this is our new student center, and this is where you're going to come to get signed in for your very first lesson with us. And we'll have team members that'll be over here welcoming you in. And then obviously after that, you can have a seat. This is our testimonial wall. You can see all the amazing testimonials that we have of people just like you that have had an absolutely great experience with their child here at the karate school or taking classes for themselves as well. So let's head on back this way. We're gonna go take a look at the introductory lesson room. This is gonna be right where you're gonna be at for your introductory lesson. Okay, so you're gonna come inside this introductory lesson room, and of course you're gonna be able to see right away, we help students set goals, set and achieve goals through our belt ranking system, through being able to visualize exactly what they're going to be able to achieve in the next few months. Now, some other things that the instructor is going to talk over with you when you're in the introductory lesson is all about our programs, the different types of programs that we have here at SKC and what might be the best fit for you. Now, we're going to go check out the mat. We've got a class going on right now. So come on down the hall with me. Our students usually come in either through the new student center or our other entrance. I'll show you that later. We got restrooms back here. And just right around the corner right here, we've got some classes going on and some instructor training that's actually happening at the same moment. So come on over this way and I'll take you out to the mat. All right, so this is our matted area right here. So we've got over 2,500 square feet of matted space. You can see we have two different classes that are happening right now. We've got our kids leadership training that's happening. All of these kids that are out here right now are future leaders, future instructors. We're working with them on learning how to lead confidently. And then we also have our other instructors that are also participating in instructor training this morning as well. Now we have our seating area over here for our parents. So you can have a seat, you can watch the students. You don't have to be waiting in a waiting room or anything like that. You can see exactly what's happening. Now I'm gonna take you on up to the front, so let's head on this way. Excuse us. Excuse me. Okay. All right, so this is our front lobby. This is actually where you will be coming in as a student, but I want to introduce you to some of our success coach team. They're right back here. It's Christmas time when we're filming this video right now. You guys want to wait for a moment? The success coaches are here to help our students be successful in their programs. Of course, we also have retail that you're able to purchase as well if you desire to do that and enhance your experience here at SKC. But overall, this is the tour of SKC. It's the place to be, and we hope to see you soon.